Laminectomy, facetectomy, and foraminotomy, unilateral or bilateral with decompression of spinal cord, cauda equina, and / or nerve root, e.g., spinal or lateral recess stenosis, single vertebral segment, cervical, thoracic, lumbar. Each additional segment, cervical, thoracic or lumbar. The physician makes a midline incision overlying the affected vertebrae. Fascia is incised. Paravertebral muscles are retracted. The physician removes the spinous processes with wrongers. If the stenosis is central, the physician removes the lamina out to the articular facets using a burr. If the compression is in the lateral recess, only half of the lamina is removed. A Penfield elevator peels the ligamentum flavum away from the dura. Nerve root canals are freed by additional resection of the facet, and compression is relieved by removal of any bony or tissue overgrowth around the foramen. Removal of the lamina, facets, and bony tissue or overgrowths may be performed bilaterally when indicated. The wronger, retractor, and microscope are removed. A free fat graft may be placed over the nerve root, for protection. If the ligamentum flavum was spared, it is placed over the free fat graft. Paravertebral muscles are repositioned and the deeper tissues and skin are closed with layered sutures. If a physician performs a discectomy with a laminectomy, facetectomy, and foraminotomy, including decompression of the spinal cord at the L5 level, but no arthrodesis, how should the discectomy be reported? Code 63047, laminectomy, facetectomy and foraminotomy, unilateral or bilateral with decompression of spinal cord, cauda equina, and / or nerve roots, e.g., spinal or lateral recess stenosis, single vertebral segment, lumbar, should be reported with modifier 22, unusual procedural services, appended. Modifier -22 identifies the additional effort involved in performing the discectomy. Laminectomy with removal of abnormal facets and / or pars interarticularis with decompression of cauda equina and nerve roots for spondylolisthesis, lumbar, gill-type procedure. The physician makes a midline incision overlying the lumbar vertebrae to facilitate repair of the spondylolisthesis. The fascia are incised and the paravertebral muscles are retracted. The physician resects the spinous processes of all three vertebrae and the middle part of the loose fifth lumbar neural arch. The ligamentum flavum is freed or excised at various levels of vertebrae. The fifth lumbar nerve root is retracted. Decompression is carried out to include the facets as well as other bony or soft tissue structures that may be applying pressure to the spinal cord, nerve roots, or cauda equina. The procedure is repeated on the opposite side. The incision is closed with layered sutures.